Malfory, ang TV5 newscaster, nagbahagi ng kanyang saloobin at mensahe para sa pumanaw na si superstar and national artist Nora Aunor. Blessing to the industry, yan ang kanyang sinabi. Ganyan inilarawan ni #News5 Showbiz and Entertainment journalist MJ Malfory ang namayapang superstar na si Nora Aunor. Bumida si Ate Guy sa ilang kapatid programs tulad ng Sangalan ng Ina 2011, When I Fall in Love 2014, and Trenderas 2014. Ang kapuso actor naman na si Jeric Gonzalez ay may nakakaantig din na mensahe para kay superstar Nora Aunor. Ang kanyang kwento tungkol kay Nora. Matatanda ang kasama ni Jeric si Miss Nora Aunor sa while filming the movie Dementia sa Batanes. Ayon kay Jeric, masarap katrabaho ang superstar at napaka-humble nito at napakahusay ding umarte. Isa ring kwento o karanasan mula sa kanyang experience kay Nora Aunor ang ibinahagi ng aktres na si Bebeth Orteza. Aktres Bebeth Orteza may nakakaantig na kwento hinggil sa ginawang kabutihan sa kanya ng isang superstar Nora Aunor. Ayon kay Bebeth, this family breadwinner was finally able to make enough money to move her family out of the silong occupied since 1971 to a 3-story apartment on K1 Street in Camuning. Problem was, the talent fees I was expecting to make the down payment for the move wasn't out yet. I went to see the woman, asked if she could advance me the money and promised I'd give it back to her soon as I got it. She stared at me for a long bit. She must have been reading if I was telling the truth. She asked someone to make a check. She signed it, then gave it to me at once. Nakalipat kami, yes. A month or so later, I got paid. I had no checking account, so I brought the money to her. She wasn't home. I left the cash with the same person who prepared the check for me. Evening of that same day, lo and behold, came a basket of fruits and the very same envelope of cash I had earlier left in her house. I rushed to her place in Valencia. She had guessed. Our eyes met. I waved the envelope at her. She put a finger to her mouth, shook her head, gave me a beer, while also putting the envelope back in my bag. She wasn't perfect, but she was this. Wow! What a generous superstar! At yan ang ating showbiz top update. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Images are all credit to the rightful owners.